Step-by-step guide to Biotin PRP treatment at Vplant Advanced Hair Clinic. Consultation. Start with a thorough consultation led by our experienced hair specialists. We assess your hair health, discuss concerns, and create a personalized treatment plan for you. Prior to the procedure, your scalp is carefully cleansed to ensure optimal conditions. Blood draw. A small amount of blood is delicately drawn from your arm and processed to isolate platelet-rich plasma (PRP). Biotin PRP preparation. The blood sample is processed to separate platelets, resulting in concentrated Biotin PRP solution. Application. Our skilled practitioners administer PRP injections to targeted areas of the scalp for uniform distribution. Stimulation. Potent Biotin PRP stimulates hair follicles, promoting growth, thickness, and resilience. Post-treatment care. Tailored guidelines are provided for post-treatment care to optimize results and minimize discomfort. Benefits. Biotin PRP harnesses your body's healing power for safe, effective hair growth. Minimal downtime allows for swift return to regular activities. Tailored solutions. Personalized treatment plans address individual restoration goals and concerns. Long-lasting results. Consistent sessions yield enduring improvements in hair density and vitality. Discover the advantages of Biotin PRP treatment at Vplant Advanced Hair Clinic. Book your consultation now for a regenerated appearance.